Hello traders out there in Traderland, my name's Des here at Grok Trade, and this is the weekend edition. This video is good through Sunday, November 6, 2011. And we're going to be taking a look at the technicals here, but just to let everybody know, there's a really good chance I'll be doing a second weekend edition video due to a vote that's going to be coming out here shortly there in Athens, Greece. There's a vote, confidence vote supposed to be taking place, and that will be interesting to see what that will do to the markets over the weekend. And we have all the world leaders out there telling Greece to get their act together, solve your own problems and do it now. And we had big Groupon was the big tech IPO that came out. And let's pull that up. Had a sizable run today. I'm going to go to a 5-minute chart on Groupon. We started off the day we opened. Let's see where we opened here. We opened at $28 and shot up. As high as 31.14 was the high in a choppy session, ended down, closing at 26.43. That's interesting. Now the S&P daily chart, we had this big pullback to an area of support. We rallied, but the problem is there's no follow through. We couldn't make it back to the 200-day moving average. We went down, found a little support, rallied back, but this is an inside trading candlestick. Don't like that at all. Now, the MACD centered oscillator was still in positive territory. We're above that. If we go over to the weekly, we're extended. We hammer, we go up several sessions or several bars, in this case, several weeks. It's been a huge month. I mean, October was just a massive month. However, here in November, we have a lower high and a lower low. And we have what looks to be a hanging man reversal pattern. Technically, it's not that because the body here, the real body, compared to the lower shadow is not 2 times or more that of the real body. So you can't really call this a hanging man, but it's very close to being one. We do remain above major weekly moving averages, but lower high, lower low. Bears are in control starting off the month here, or starting off the or ending the week and ending October. So it'd be interesting to see what November brings us. Now let's go to the monthly chart. We have a big issue here, big bearish divergence here on the stochastic. We have higher swing highs on the monthly chart here, equal swing highs on the stochastic, and we have this drop with expanding trading range candlesticks on the monthly. And then we get this big bullish engulfing, boom, we head back up. But so far, not a whole lot of movement here in November. Now we're just getting started, so anything can happen. I think if we do rally north, 1300 is going to be a significant area of resistance. If I go here to the Nasdaq, we're going to start here on the monthly. Support. Now is major resistance. I mean, we're already in resistance area on the Nasdaq as far as the monthly is concerned. The weekly, we absolutely do have 2 reversal patterns. We have a hanging man, and we also have a bearish harami. Weekly reversal pattern. Now we're finding great support so far, last couple weeks, at the 67-week simple moving average. Watch that like a hawk. That is really important. Now on the daily, we came up, broke out of this rising wedge, up several sessions, finding resistance at the 200-day moving average. Now on the Russells, this is the daily on the Russells. The Russells up, we're breaking over a resistance area over the 100-day moving average, but we're caught up with the doji right now at that support range. And if we go here to the weekly, bearish harami and also a hanging man, and we are below the 67 week. This is a bad sign for small caps. So be watching for a correction. If we do drop, especially below 700, that's what you want to key on. we're in a lot of trouble. As far as the monthly is concerned, we are not quite there at resistance yet, but we're knocking at the door. 770 will be a major resistance point, something to be watching quite closely. And if I go here to the banks, here's the monthly on the banks. Coming up, inside trading, but let's go to the weekly. The weekly extended, higher, 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 bearish Rami, hanging man, lower high, lower low. Financials are in trouble. On Friday, financials, the banks just lagged the trading markets all day long, from beginning to the end there in the trading session. And on the daily, support, support, we break support, acting as resistance, lower high, higher low, doji just above the 100-day, acting as support. And the problem is we're on the wrong side of that trend line, so we'll be wanting to watch that. If I were to take another trend line, I could go here. What I'm going to do is copy this, copy, put it there, here, here. Actually, I'm going to take this one out. We could be at a support area, nice trend. But the problem is we need to get back to this trend line. We need to get to the 200-day. If we don't get to the 200-day, we're in a lot of trouble. If we break this trend line, woe to the markets. If we go below the 20-day moving average on the banks, we're in a lot of trouble. Here at FinViz, let's take a look at sector rotation, group rotation. Everybody was in the red for the week, just horrible. But this is what's concerning me. Financials were down significantly, down 5.5% for the week, dwarfing the drop of everybody else. Watch that. That is concerning. I think we had our run. November looks like it could be in trouble, at least starting off, erasing some hopes for a Santa Claus rally. For the month, we're just getting started, but financials kind of in the middle of the mix. 3 months, financials at the bottom, with conglomerates at 6.6. All right, we have a brand new website getting ready to introduce itself to you all, and very excited about it. We have some really great chat rooms going to be opening up. We have a day trading chat room. It's going to open up. It's going to be very active in the mornings, and then a Forex trading room that will be manned, and these are going to be manned by Grok analysts, and you want to be a part and check these things out. And then we're going to open up the 101s again and the 201s, and it'll have a whole new look, and hope you like it. But we're thinking perhaps maybe Wednesday will be the release, so there's a little information for you. Take care, safe trading to you. I'll talk to you soon.